Do you want to make money online, but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home without any starting capital or initial investments needed. Number 1. Online gigs. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork provide a variety of opportunities to make money online. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant, graphic designer, video editor, or even as a script writer. These platforms allow you to set your own rates and work on projects that align with your interests and skills. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping any inventory. You can start a dropshipping business by setting up an online store and connecting it to a supplier or a dropshipping platform like Alibaba. This allows you to focus on marketing and sales while the supplier handles the shipping and handling. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online with no initial investments. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. There are many affiliate programs available for different products and services, such as Amazon Affiliates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. You can promote products through your own website, social media, or YouTube channel. There you have it, some new and unique ways for teenagers and students to make money online. Whether you're interested in offering online gigs, starting a dropshipping business, or becoming an affiliate marketer, there are plenty of opportunities to earn extra cash from the internet. Remember to be persistent and consistent, and soon you'll be making money online. Good luck!